The all-new 2024 Dacia Duster looks set to successfully continue the story of a model that has been at the heart of the brand's success since 2010. Following a press announcement in November last year, we now have further details about pricing, equipment, and available paint choices for European markets. As a B-segment vehicle measuring under 4.40 meters in length, prices for the Duster will start at €18,000 for a base bi-fuel version, rising to just under €27,000 for the hybrid petrol version. As well as a bi-fuel engine featuring 2 tanks holding 50 litres of petrol and 50 litres of LPG, Dacia offers the TCE 130 variant, combining a new generation 3-cylinder, 1.2-litre turbocharged petrol engine with 48-volt mild hybrid motor. And also, for the first time in the Duster, Renault's trusted 4-cylinder, 1.6-litre hybrid, featuring a 94-horsepower petrol engine with 2 electric motors and an electric automatic gearbox. For the Mark III Duster, Dacia's design team wanted to give the cabin, bonnet and wings a robust and rugged feel with modern, taut, self-confident lines that build upon its previous generations. What do you think? Is it an improvement? Let us know in the comments below. At launch, most European markets will offer from a choice of 7 paint colours. These include a fetching sandstone beige for the Extreme Launch Edition, as well as the previously available cedar green and terracotta brown. That feeling of ruggedness continues with the interior of the Duster. Although many of the interior plastics aren't soft touch, the cabin layout is modern and inviting. Driver and passenger comfort is also much improved with additional seating width at the front and extra legroom at the back. An electric parking brake is included from Expression trim upwards, while the Extreme and Journey trims by default come with electric adjusting and folding door mirrors. Additional option packs will also be available, including a cold pack with heated windshield and heated front seats, and a parking pack with blind spot detector, multi-view camera, and front-rear acoustic sensors. On the question of reliability, Dacia scores well, coming 11th in What Car's 2023 reliability survey, while the Duster model came 4th out of 75 models listed by Auto Express. Currently, only Romanian home market pricing has been announced, but we'll provide further details for other markets nearer launch in March. First deliveries are expected to take place in mainland Europe from the end of Q2 onwards, while pre-orders are already available in some markets. If you've enjoyed this video, tell us which upcoming models you'd like to see featured. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It takes just a second and helps us to create new content.